Time now for the financial week. The National Housing Trust NHT Amnesty program has been extended to May 31 this year. It was originally scheduled to end on March 31.
This extension provides employers in the micro, small, and medium enterprise business sector and charitable organizations with a valuable window to regularize their accounts and benefit from the waiver of penalties, interests, and arrears. On arrears. Under the extension, qualifying employers are offered a 100% waiver on interest.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the update at the launch of Expo Jamaica. The NHT Amnesty program is designed to assist MSMEs and charities with 50 or fewer employees and annual revenue of less than $425 million. The JC Index advanced by 1,496 points, while the Junior Market Index declined by 20 points. The winners were led by Omni Industries, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Pulse Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Jetcon Corporation. Among the losers were Cygnus Credit Investments, 8% preference shares, Cygnus Credit Investments, 10% preference shares, Phosrish, Spur Tree Spices, and Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company. 18 stocks traded firm. There were more losses on the foreign exchange market today. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $158.64. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113. The pound is going for $205.79, while the euro is selling for an average $174.58. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our Bite of the Week when we return.